This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. All investments carry risk, so consult a financial professional before making decisions. Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be comparing AMP futures, Tradestation, Tradovate, and Ninjatrader to see if which is the best broker for futures, stocks, and more in 2025. So let's start with the in-depth comparison. So let's first start with the AMP futures. So this is best for low-cost futures trading. The commission starts as low as 0.37 dollars per side plus the exchange fees. For the minimum deposit, you have $100 plus or above. And then the platform supports Share a Chart, MetaTrader 5, multi-charts, and others. For the pros and cons, let's start with the pros. This one has extremely low margins and commissions, and it also has lots of third-party platform options. For the cons, it has no stock up or option trading. It also has the platform is also not ideal for beginners. So if you're a beginner, this is not for you. So this is great if you want pure futures trading at the lowest cost. So let's move ahead with the trade station. So this is best for stocks, options, and futures. So the commission, it has $0 for stocks, but this is limited only. And for the futures, we have $1.50 per side plus the fees. And the minimum deposit of this one is $0 for cash accounts. And the platform, it has TradeStation, desktop, and web. Now for the pros, this one has all-in-one platform, stocks, options, futures, and crypto. And this one also has strong charting and analysis tools. Now for the cons, it can be complex for new users. So if you are a new user, then don't go for this one. And the monthly fees on some plans are. And for the verdict is this is best for traders who want to trade multiple assets classes on one platform. Now for the Tradovate. So this one is best for futures with a modern interface. Now the commission is per trade and flat rate. It has monthly plans and the commission is free options available with subscription. For the minimum deposit, we have $250 above, and the platform uses web-based plus mobile. So they have a mobile application. Now for the pros is it has clean, user-friendly UI, and the commission free plans for frequent traders. Now for the cons is it has no stock options trading and fewer advanced tools than NinjaTrader. So this is ideal for new futures traders or those wanting a simple, modern trading experience. Now lastly is the NinjaTrader. So this is best for futures, advanced traders, and algo trading. The commission is $0.59 per side with lifetime license. The minimum deposit is $400 above, and the platform uses NinjaTrader 8 for desktop. For the pros and cons, so the pros is it is highly customizable, which is very great. And this is also great for automated or algorithmic trading. For the cons is you only have to use desktop. So this is desktop only, no full web version. And the learning curve for some users may be it's hard. So this is excellent for serious futures traders and algo developers. So the question is which is best? So if you want cheapest futures, then go for AMP futures. If you want all-in-one trading, then go for TradeStation. And if you want user-friendly futures, then go for Tradovate. And lastly, if you want algo or advanced futures, then go with Trader rather. So our final thought is that go with AMP if you're only interested in futures with the lowest cost. And you can also choose TradeStation if you want stocks, options, and futures on one powerful platform. And pick Tradovate if you're new to futures and want modern and simple interface. Then lastly, use Ninjatrader if you are experienced futures or algo trader who needs advanced tools. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.